Okay, next is how to solve a proportion. So, na-discuss natin yung iba't ibang properties on how to solve or way to solve proportion. Pero isa lang yung gagamitin natin, which is the first property, wherein we need to multiply the means and the extremes. So, means by the means and extreme by the extremes. So, ang gagawin lang natin is to solve this 3 example using first property. So, ganito lang yung gagawin natin. So, dito sa given natin, para i-multiply lang natin yung means at extremes, so mag-draw lang kayo ng paslant line para meron kayong alatandaan na sila yung magka-partner. Then, ito din, pa-cross. Okay, so sila yung magka-partner. So, kahit alin yung unahin nyo, pwedeng ito or pwedeng itong nasa kabila. So, 5 times 1x is 5x is equal to, so wala ng denominator, class, and 3 times 25 is 75. So, ang hinahanap natin, ano yung value ng x na yon? So, ito yon, may kasama siyang 5. Anong gagawin natin? Divide both sides by the numerical coefficient of x, which is 5. So, divide both sides by 5. Okay, 5 divided by 5 is 1, or cancel, bring down x. 75 divided by 5 is 15. So, ang value ng x natin for letter A is 15. So, kapag sinubstitute natin dun sa x, so dapat equal silang dalawa. So, tingnan natin. So, 3 over 5. 3 over 5 is equal to 15, yung x natin, over 25. So, para ma-check natin, class, is cross multiplication ulit. 3 times 25 is 75 equals 5 times 15 is also 75. So, then, tama yung solution natin. So, yung checking, hindi nyo na kailangang ilagay lagi. So, it is just to check if your answer is correct. So, proceed tayo sa number 2 or letter B. So, ganun pa din yung process, cross multiplication lang. So, x times 7 is 7x equals 11 times 9 is 99. Okay, divide both sides by 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. Bring down x. So, 99 over 7. Okay, so decimal yung magiging sagot natin, which is 14.14. Okay, 2 decimal places lang. So, pwedeng fraction yung sagot ninyo, pwedeng 99 over 7 na ang sagot ninyo, or pwede nyo i-divide, 99 divided by 7, fraction yung magiging sagot. So, ang value ng x natin for letter B is 14.14. Next, letter C. So, we have x over 12 equals 21 over 8. The same process, cross-multiply tayo. So, x times 8 is 8x equals 21 times 12 is 252. Okay, so divide both sides by 8. So, 8 divide 8 is 1. So, x is equal to 252 over 8. So, pwede natin siyang i-lowest term. And that will be 63 over 2. So, pwede nating lowest term. Ito na yung final answer natin. Di-divide natin yung 252 by 4. And yung 8 divided by 4 din. So, ito yung magiging lowest term niya. Or else, pwede natin gawin na decimal. So, x will be 31.5. So, ito yung sinasabi ko. Pwedeng fraction, pwedeng decimal. Yung ating magiging final answer. Okay, next. So, paano kapag ganito yung itsura ng proportion ninyo? Madami na yung nasa taas, may plus na, and then may variable. So, the same process pa din, cross multiplication pa din. So, ang mangyayari nga lang dyan, medyo mahaba yung inyong solution. So, x plus 2 over 5 equals 4x plus 1 over 15. So, cross multiplication pa din. Cross multiply natin. So, we have 15 times x plus 2. So, 15 times x plus 2 equals, so 5 times 4x plus 1. Okay, then, yung 15, i-multiply natin sa x at doon sa 2. Yung 5 sa 4x at saka sa 1. So, 15 times x or 1x is 15x plus 15 times 2 is 30 equals, so 5 times 4x is 20x. 5 times 4 is 20, bring down x plus 5 times 1 is 5. Then after nating ma-multiply o ma-distribute yung number outside the parentheses, pagsasamahin natin yung magkaparehas ang term. Okay? So, alin yung magkaparehas ang term natin? Yung 15x. Ang kaparehas niya ay yung 20x. So, ililipat natin yung 20x sa kabila. So, positive siya, magiging negative 20x equals positive 5. Alin yung kaparehas niya na walang kasamang variable? 30. So, yung 30, ililipat natin sa kabila ng equal sign. So, magiging siyang negative 30. Then, perform the indicated operation. So, subtraction tayo. 15 minus 20 is negative 5. Copy the variable x equals 5 minus 30 is negative 25. So, ito na ba yung final answer natin? Hindi pa. Okay? Hindi pa siya yung final answer natin. So, kaya, i-divide natin both sides by the number beside the variable. Ano ba yung number natin besides the variable? Negative 5. Divide both sides by negative 5. So, we have negative 5 divided by negative 5 is positive 1. Bring down x is equal to negative divide negative is positive. 25 divided by 5 is positive 5. Okay, so check natin kung tama yung solution natin. Paano i-check? Ipa-plug in natin or isa-substitute lang natin yung nakuha nating value ng x dito, which is 5, doon sa ating proportion. Okay, so check. So x plus 2 over 5 equals 4x plus 1 over 15. So, ano ba yung value ng x natin? Okay, yung value ng x natin ay 5. So, papalitan lang natin yung x ng 5 plus 2 over 5 equals yung 4 times the value of x, which is another 5 plus 1 over 15. So, 5 plus 2 is 7 over 5 equals, so 4 plus 5 is 20 plus 1 over 15. Okay? So, 7 over 5 is equal to 21 over 15. So, kung makikita natin, hindi sila equal. Pero, yung 21 over 15, pwede pa nating i-lowest term. So, divide the numerator and denominator by their common factor, which is 3. So, 21 divided 3 is 7. 15 divided 3 is 5. So, then, tama yung solution natin kasi equal yung dalawang ratio natin. 7 over 5 is equal to 7 over 5. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat. Laus Deo.